Okay, to make a house, you can take a paint sample. I got this from Walmart for free. So I'm going to take the paint sample and I'm going to fold it to where the whole paint sample is folded to match this. So I'm going to fold it to the line and then I'm going to turn it back, kind of like you would if you're going to make a fan in art. And then I'm just going to keep folding it to where it matches so that I have equal pieces, mostly equal. Okay, so then I've really folded this kind of, for the most part, in equal pieces. So once I do that, then I'm going to try to think about if I was going to cut this into 3 equal pieces. That would give me, if I hold my thumbs here, about right there. And then I'm going to fold this one backwards, right here. So now I've really folded this whole paint sample into small squares. The squares are going to help me cut out a shape that will make a 3D house. Okay, so now you can see I have a shape. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors and I'm going to cut along here and cut off 3 of these squares. Then I'm going to cut off this square up here and I'm essentially making a cross shape. Cut this off. And you could do this with paper or anything. The paint samples are just thicker, so they're going to be easier to work with. So now that I have this shape, this part in the middle, there's like the base, these sides are all going to fold in. This side folds in, and this side folds all the way here. And then you can put a piece of double stick tape right here. Go get me a piece of double stick tape. So you can take a piece of double stick tape on this very top piece. Just pull one off the edge of the basket. Evan, there's double stick tape on the edge of this green basket. Just pull me a piece off. Okay, so then I put a piece of double stick tape here. You could also use glue. And I'm going to fold it over and then stick it to this side. And now I can just, well, let me fold it over and stick it. I'm gonna have to open it up to pinch it, and then I can just close these sides and kind of push them in, and then I have a little house. Then I can take my little leftover scrap and I can pull this off and I can stick a little roof on. I might use a little dot of hot glue on each side to make my little roof. And that's how you make a house out of a paint sample.